Good afternoon, parents and students. Welcome to our 6th grade virtual open house. I wanted to take a couple minutes and introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Teff, and I will be your students' ELA reading and writing teacher for the upcoming school year. I want you to know that this presentation will also be uploaded onto their Canvas page, so you can go back and review any of this information that you need to. So the best way to get into contact with me is through email. It's probably the quickest way for me to respond. This is my email address, and you can also contact me at Monroe Middle School at this phone number as well. I also have posted some information about myself. This will be my 11th year at Monroe Middle School teaching language arts, and just some other information about me as well, where I'm from, which is Monroe, and that I've previously taught at East Elementary for 8 years as well. Okay, quickly, the bell schedule for this year, it's a little bit different. We have extended our school hours. Your student will need to be at school prior to 9:05. 9:05 is when they will need to be in homeroom, and our dismissal time is going to be at 4:05 every day. Okay, another thing, many of you have probably already seen the 6th grade school supply list on our website, but for my course in particular, the one thing that I would like for you to add to that supply list is going to be some headphones or earbuds. We use an interactive reading program called Read 180, as well as Read 180 System 44. And students will need a microphone on their earbuds headphones so that they can interact with the computer. They'll be recording themselves reading passages and answering questions. And in order to do that when they are in school, they will need to talk into that microphone. Also on the list is a 2-pocket folder with prongs so that we can fasten papers inside those folders and they won't be able to fall out. Also, pencils, and wish list is a box of tissues and hand sanitizer. It would be great if everybody could bring maybe 1 box of tissues in to our classroom, as well as 1 bottle of hand sanitizer to make sure that we're following all the guidelines for the school year. Okay, another important thing that you'll need to know is that all students at Monroe Middle School will be able to get free breakfast and lunch. You will be able to get progress reports sent home, as well as report cards every 3 weeks or 6 weeks. The easiest way to stay current with your child's grades and assignments that will be uploaded onto Canvas is to connect parents as an observer in their PowerSchool. I will be sending home some information during the first week of school on directions and instructions for how you parents can connect and see what your child is learning every day in Canvas, as well as being able to see their grades at any time. Dress code I want to go over really quickly is always khaki bottoms, skirts or shorts, and black polo shirts. It's important to know that no hoodies or jackets or hats can be worn inside the building or the classroom. Again, please email me. That's the quickest way for me to respond at this email address, or on the first or second slide of this presentation, you can always contact the school as well. I can't wait to meet you guys, and I look forward to starting our school year next week. Look forward to meeting you all. Take care. Bye-bye.